Hello everyone, this is Andre Salem, and for this video, I'm going to show with you of making a traffic lights stimulation using the Tinkercad.com with also the help of the Arduino Uno R3. So as you can see, I already placed here our materials, Arduino Uno R3 and the breadboard. So here is the schematic diagram that we're going to use to create the traffic light stimulation. So as you can see, meron din dito tatlong LED, which is color red, yellow, and green. So let's put the three LEDs. So one, okay, two, and another one. Okay, pangatlo. So, palitan din natin ng kulay. So, kanina, red, yellow, green yung kulay niya since traffic light siya. So, palitan natin itong pangalawang LED natin ng color yellow at saka yung pangatlo will be colored green. So, yeah, nalagay na natin yung ating tatlong LED. So, aside sa LED is we also have the resistors. Okay, tatlo rin yung kakailanganin natin resistors dito. Okay, at lahat sila is connected doon sa cathode ni LED. So, kunin natin yung resistor. Connect natin. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So, meron na tayong resistor. So, as we also see, so, yung sa may ating LED number 1, okay, yung kanyang anode is connected into TX. So, gawin lang natin is hanapin natin yung TX dito sa ating Arduino. So, nandito siya sa may taas. So, TX. Ayan. Connect natin. Then, dito sa ayun, connected sila. Then, bantayan natin. Bantayan natin yung kulay. Gawin natin orange. Yan. Sa atin namang LED number 2, connected naman yung ating yung kanyang cathode doon kay D2. So, hanapin natin si D2. Okay. D2 would be find asa okay, I'm sorry. Ito. Tabi lang pala ng TX. Ayun. Connect natin siya. Sa dito. Ayan. So, patan din natin yung kulay nito. So, gawin naman natin itong kulay. Wag green. Kaya siyang turn, guys. Yan. Tapos, doon naman sa LED number 3, connected naman siya sa D3 naman. Okay, katabi lang din. Dito siya. So, D3 kasi siya yung digital. Okay. Okay. Diba? Ayun. Patandin natin yung kulay niya para hindi tayo manito. Gawin natin siyang purple. Then, bantayan natin. So, yun. Kompleto na yung ating connection dito sa bawat anode ng ating LED. Yun naman, i-connect naman natin yung ating cathode dun sa may base. So, lagyan natin siya ng connection. Ay. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Patandin natin yung kulay para hindi tayo malito. So, gawin natin brown to. Ayan. So, yun. Speaking of connection, lagyan na rin natin ng connection dito sa ating magkabilang dulo. Okay. Tapos, positive. Para di tayo malito, gawin natin red yung positive. And of course, the negative would be color black. So, yun. Kung naman tayo dun sa kanyang power supply, sa ating schematic diagram, it is being selected into GND. So, lahat ng ating LED, tsaka yung lahat ng resistor natin is connected siya dito sa power from GND. So, GND, makita natin siya dito. Ayun. GND. Ayan. Tapos, i-connect natin siya dito sa may negative. Ayun. Gawin rin natin siyang color black. Staple lang natin siya dyan. So, I think nakuha naman na natin yung connections given from this, given dito sa ating schematic diagram. So, ngayon naman, I'm going to input the code. Okay. So, here I have already typed the code for making this traffic light stimulation. So, comment, void setup, pin mode 1, 2, 3, since 1, 2, 3 ang ating mga outputs. And then, digital right, 1 high and low. So, nagyan din natin siya ng the low 6,000 and delay 500 sa low. So, ano yan, pare-pares sila mula sa ating pin mode 1, 2, and 3. So, yan, that's it. And kung i-observe na rin natin yung kanyang i-strip na rin natin yung pag-stimulation niya. So, let's begin. So, yun. As you can see, umilaw yung ating traffic lights. So, aside dito, nakuha rin natin yung kanyang schematic diagram. So, lahat naman ng connection ng wirings is nakuha naman natin ng tama. And, aside doon is nag-stimulate yung ating traffic light. So, that's it for my assignment number 4. Thank you po, Sir Torres and Ma'am Maricel Divina.